Hey everyone, Jonathan here. Today, let's see how to remove Bing redirect from Mac. I'll share everything you need to know about this virus and show you the easiest way to get rid of it. Let's get started. So, what is Bing redirect? Technically, Bing redirect is not a virus as it doesn't replicate itself. It's rather a form of malware known as a potentially unwanted program, or PUP. Specifically, it's a browser hijacker, which means it changes your browser settings, including the home page and default search engine. It turns using a browser into a nightmare by redirecting searches from your preferred search engine to Bing and displaying intrusive pop-ups. There's also a risk that it'll steal your personal data, so remove Bing redirect as soon as you detect it. Fortunately, it's a piece of cake, and I'm going to show you how to do it step by step. Have you downloaded any suspicious apps recently? If so, that might be the way your computer got infected. Bing redirect bundles itself with other software, so be careful about which apps you download. Make sure they are safe, and avoid getting software from sites that use proprietary download managers. Did you find out where your Bing redirect came from? Let us know in the comments below. Your answer might help others to catch the culprit faster. Now it's time to get rid of Bing redirect. You can do that manually or automatically. Method 1. I'm going to start by showing you the faster automatic way. Then we'll head over to the manual step-by-step removal guide. Luckily, in 2020, many apps can recognize the Bing virus. CleanMyMac X can do the job with ease. CleanMyMac X is a Mac cleaner notarized by Apple. It can detect many pups as well as keyloggers and adware extensions. You can try CleanMyMac X for free. Find a download link in the video description. Once you download and install it, launch the app and go to the malware removal in the sidebar. Hit the scan button to kickstart the detection process. The app will scan your Mac for malware and show you the results. As you can see, removing malware with CleanMyMac X is quick and easy. Find the download link in the video description if you want to try the app yourself. Method 2. If you'd rather remove Bing redirect manually, here's how to do that. First, get rid of any suspicious apps on your Mac. Check the Applications folder and remove anything related to Bing. Bing might hide under other names, so trash everything that you don't remember downloading. Now that you've deleted all suspicious applications, check and remove unneeded login items. The malware can use them to start up every time your Mac reboots. To clean up your login items, go to System Preferences and choose Users and Groups. Then select the Login Items tab. Look for any suspicious items. If you notice any, check the box next to it and click the minus button. Well done. Finally, you should bring your browser back to the default settings. What browser is your favorite one? I'm going to start with Safari and then show you how to do that on Chrome. Launch Safari, go to the Safari menu and select Preferences. Then choose the Extensions tab. Look for an extension that you haven't installed, especially those related to Bing. Select it and press Uninstall. Go to the General tab and change the home page to your preferred one. After all, navigate to the Search tab and choose the search engine you want to use. As you can see, I opt for Google. Now it's time to review and remove suspicious extensions from Chrome. First, launch Chrome. Type this line into the address bar and hit Enter. You can copy it from the description below. Also, you can click on the three-dot icon at the top right of your browser and go to More Tools, then select Extensions. Now you can see all the Chrome extensions you have. Look for the one that you don't remember downloading and click Remove next to it. Super simple. Then type another line into the address bar. You can find it in the description as well. It leads you to your browser settings where you can change the home page and search engine. Choose On Startup in the sidebar to set your preferred start page. After that, go to the Search Engine tab and pick the one you want to use. Once you complete all these steps, the Bing redirect will be removed and your browser will work as usual. Though manual removal is possible, some malicious elements could easily fall through the cracks. So even if you try to eliminate the threat by yourself, it's still worth scanning your Mac with malware removal from CleanMyMac X after that, just to make sure that nothing was left unnoticed. That's all for today. Check out the description box for links and extra details. Hope this video will help you remove Bing redirect from your Mac. Thanks for watching.